Hello, and welcome back to ALIGANA tutorial series. In this final video, we'll be discussing how to pay your freight or shipping fee on forwarded parcels with ALIGANA.com. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. After confirming and submitting your shipping order on ALIGANA.com, the next step is to pay for your freight. ALIGANA packs and consolidates the parcels to save on costs. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do just that. Step 1. Navigate to your shipping orders first. Log into your ALIGANA account and go to the User Center. From there, tap Menu and select Shipping Orders under the Forwarding Service menu. Step 2. Select your order and pay the freight. Once you're on the Shipping Orders page, click on the Pay Freight tab to see the shipping orders that you need to pay for. From there, select the package due for payment and click the Pay button to pay for your freight. Step 3. Complete your payment on the checkout page. Select your preferred payment method and complete your payment. After a successful payment, you're done with the freight payment process. You can now sit back and wait for ALIGANA to ship out your order and update your tracking number and other relevant details. That's it. With these simple steps, you can easily pay for your freight on ALIGANA. We hope this tutorial series has been helpful and has made your shopping experience on ALIGANA.com easier and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any further questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact ALIGANA Customer Support for assistance. Happy shopping and shipping!